Hi grades 4, today is Monday. Today you are looking at your math worksheets. So there's 3 pages. Okay, so first page is double-sided. And then we have the last page. Okay, now I want you to try these worksheets on your own. I don't want your mom or dad helping you because this is for Miss David to see how much you know this far. And is that a scary thing? No, it just means that once you're done, if there's any problem, then in September, your teacher will know what you need help with, okay? So I don't want you to be stressed about these worksheets because you're gonna be working on them by yourself. Okay, and I am going to help you right now. So I'll help you understand what you have to do. So for the first page, now grades 4, do you remember we've been working with volume and we've been working with counting our cubes? So for the first page, all you have to do is count your cubes and then write the number. Okay, so you just need to make sure you count your cubes correctly, and then you record your number in these squares. So first page is all counting. The second page is they're asking you what is the length, what is the width, what is your height, and what's your volume. Okay, now it says each of the following cube is made up of 1 centimeter cubes. Find the length, the width, the height, the volume of each. Okay, and they have shown you which way is the length, which way is the width, which way is the height. Again, all you're doing is counting your cubes for length, for width, and for height. And how do we find the volume? You multiply all 3 to find the volume, right? So multiply all 3 numbers, and then you'll find your volume. So that's what you have to do for page 2, which is the flip side of this. Again, I won't want you to get help from anyone because I need to see how much you know. And then the last page, we have to find the volume. They've given you 3 numbers. And how do we find the volume? We multiply 3 things. Height, length, and width. And we find the volume. And that's what you have to do for these 4 figures. Okay, multiply all these numbers and write down the volume for each figure. Now, for your last question, it's a word problem. And it says a rectangular tank measures 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter and by 5 centimeter. How many cubic centimeters is the tank? They've given you 3 numbers. Basically, they're asking you what's the volume. Okay, so that means what do you have to do? We have 3 numbers, and we are going to multiply all 3 to get the volume, right? So that's what you have to do on these 3 worksheets. So first one, you're counting the cubes and writing down the number. On the flip side, you are counting. So you're seeing what is the length, the width, the height, and then you're multiplying all 3 to get your volume. And then the last page, you have to multiply all 3 sides again to get the volume and your word problem. Okay, so I wish you all the very best. I absolutely have faith in you that you can do this and be successful. And I will see you next time. Bye.